What if I told you there's an animal that can detach its own tail, climb walls like Spider-Man, run on water, and even squirt blood from its eyes? This isn't science fiction. It's a real animal. It's been here since before the dinosaurs, and it's still thriving, while other species go extinct every day. This creature can regrow parts of its body, change color, fake its own death, and even glide like a dragon through the forest canopy. You've seen them before, but you've never really seen them. Because lizards may look like ordinary reptiles, but under the surface, they're nature's most advanced survivors. And what you're about to discover might change how you view evolution, survival, and the very edge of what life can do. Lizards have existed for over 200 million years. Let that sink in. They've been around since the Triassic period. It's older than mammals, older than birds, and yes, even older than Tyrannosaurus rex. When the asteroid struck, wiping out 3/4 of life on Earth, lizards didn't just survive. They adapted, quietly, efficiently, without drama. They didn't need strength or speed. They relied on something better: evolutionary resilience. While towering beasts crumbled, lizards clung to survival by shrinking, hiding, and enduring. What other creature can claim victory after an extinction-level event? And it's only the beginning. Lizards come with a toolkit that sounds like it was built in a lab. Let's start with this. Many lizards can drop their tail to escape danger, literally snap it off mid-chase, while the tail keeps wiggling to distract predators. Now here's the catch. Tail grows back. Muscle, bone, nerves, all regenerate in weeks. That's something humans still can't do. They don't stop there. Chameleons and animals can change color not just to hide, but to show emotion, signal rivals, or manage body temperature. They walk upside down, using millions of microscopic hairs on their feet. Hairs so sticky, they can hang from a single toe on a glass ceiling. And the horned lizard. It shoots pressurized blood from its eyes when threatened. That's not a defense mechanism. It's a biological horror movie. And guess what? We're still not done. At first glance, lizards seem primitive. Tiny brain, cold blood, slow blinks. But here's the twist. Some lizards can learn. Monitor lizards, for example, can solve puzzles to get food. They remember paths. They avoid traps. They outthink other reptiles. Some species even recognize human keepers. Not by scent, not by noise, by face. In the wild, their instincts are even more fascinating. They use push-up displays to intimidate rivals, literally flexing their strength without touching a thing. Others inflate their bodies, open their mouths wide, or flare frills to appear larger. It's all bluff, and it usually works. Because in nature, fear can be more powerful than force. Sprints upright on its hind legs so fast that it stays afloat thanks to speed and surface tension. Let's get into the really unbelievable stuff. In Central America, there's a lizard that can run across the surface of water. Tiny channels in its skin, direct moisture all the way to its mouth. Locals call it the Jesus lizard, but scientists know it as the basilisk. In Southeast Asia, the Draco lizard spreads out wing-like flaps and glides between trees, steering through the forest like a living paper airplane. And in Australia, the thorny devil drinks water through its feet. These aren't fantasy creatures. They're just better adapted than almost anything we've ever built in a lab.